Hello and welcome. My name is Amza, and in this video we are going to be looking at widgets. You see, a lot of beginners, WordPress users always ask, what are widgets and how can they make use of one in WordPress? And in this video, that's exactly what we are going to touch on. So let's dive right in. So what are widgets and why do you need them in WordPress? A widget is a tiny application that offers a special functionality to your website. Let's navigate to widgets, the widget page. Go to Appearance, then click on Widgets. And this is the widget page. As you can see, we have the right and we have the left. These are the widgets. These are the widgets. And if you want to make use of any, you will click, then you will drag to the right side. As you can see, it has its own position. We have the default sidebar, we have the left sidebar, we have the footer, we have the footer 1, footer 2, footer 3, and footer 4. It depends on whichever place you want to position your widget. As you can see, default sidebar, widget in this area will be displayed in the left or right sidebars area if you choose the left or right sidebar layout. Left sidebar, widgets in this area are used in the left sidebar region if you use the both sidebar layout. And this is how to add a widget. And if you click the title of the widget, you can expand, click it back, and it will return back to its original form. This method isn't the only way you can add widgets to your WordPress site. You can also add widgets by visiting Appearance. Remember your admin area, then click on Customize. It's loading, let's give it some time. And it's loaded. As you can see, the widgets option here, click on it. And just so you know, not all widgets appear here. Not all widgets. And for this particular theme, you can see your theme has 11 widget areas, but this particular page doesn't display them. You can navigate to other pages on your site while using the customizer to view and edit the widget displayed on those pages. What you're going to tell us is that the home page we are viewing right here doesn't have any widgets. That's why they didn't show us anything, because the home page does not have any widgets. But if widgets are available on this home page, you will see some of the widgets here. To me, I prefer using the other method we touched, the first method we touched, instead of this one. So anytime you want to add the widgets, instead of using Appearance and Customize, navigate to Appearance and click on Widgets. That's the better option. Now, for you to delete a widget is very straightforward. Let's cancel this. For you to delete a widget is very straightforward. Let's say we add this, we drag it to the right and put it on footer. Now, for you to delete a widget is very straightforward. You click on this arrow down to expand it and navigate downwards. Then you can see the delete option there. Click on delete and your widget will be deleted. That's how to delete a widget. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please leave a like if you find this video helpful and subscribe to my channel, where I upload video every single day about WordPress and website design in general. See you soon. Thank you.